Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to be installing Ubuntu Server. The first thing we need to do is go into our BIOS and change the boot order so that the USB drive is the first. Alright, we're going to download ventoy is just a click away. Visit the official ventoy website, where you'll find the download section. Choose the appropriate version for your system, and let's move on to the next step. Once the download's complete, open the file and extract it using 7-zip. Now, let's infuse our USB drive with ventoy's extraordinary abilities. Launch your trusted flashing software, choose the ventoy file you downloaded, and initiate the process. Witness the remarkable transformation as your USB drive becomes a gateway to multiple bootable systems. It's like having a passport to endless computing possibilities. Use GPT for UEFI BIOS and MBR for legacy BIOS. Use NTFS for large files. Warning, this will erase your USB. Okay, now put the ISO file in the USB. Then insert it in your device. Once we've done that, we can boot up the system and start the installation process. Choose your preferred language and keyboard layout to make your server installation tailored to your needs. Within this step, you have the option to search and install additional drivers for your hardware. Here, you have the opportunity to set up and customize your network settings. I will leave the proxy address empty. Leave the mirror address as is, it determines the server for software package downloads in Ubuntu Server. Configure storage for Ubuntu Server installation. Important note, please be aware that this step will result in the erasure of your storage. Then you need to set up your profile, enter your desired name for the profile. Provide a unique name for your server. Create a secure password for your server. Remember to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Skip this for now and click Continue. Here you can install OpenSSH for your server to be able to control it from a distance. In this step you can install additional snaps, but I will skip this step for now. Finally, the system will install Ubuntu Server and configure it. Select Reboot Now. Don't forget to remove your USB key. Once the installation is complete, we'll be able to log into our server. This command will update the list of packages available in the Ubuntu repositories. It will not actually install any updates, but it will allow you to see if there are any available. This command will install all of the updates that are available. It is important to run this command regularly to keep your system up to date. We're done. Thanks for joining the Ubuntu installation party. Stay tuned for more techie goodness in the next video.